My mom frantically scrambled out of the cab, threw some cash in the front seat, grabbed her suitcases, and clambered across the front lawn. The way she moved, I could tell she must have recognized Cole's truck. She must have been thinking the worst about Cole and me. I had to meet her and have a few words with her before she walked inside. She's here, I warned Cole. Wait here until I bring her in. But as soon as I opened the front door, my mom's eyes scanned past me. Whatever anger she must have felt at Cole's presence dissipated as she beheld the clean front room. Oh my God, what have you done? Her face turned white in an instant. Mom, breathe, okay? Cole and I cleaned up the place a bit. She dropped both handles of her suitcases and let her belongings fall flat on the porch. Her hands flew to her cheeks as she pushed past me. Ah! She shrieked. What have you done? What have you done? Where's my stuff? Cole appeared in the hallway. Hello, Mrs. Murdoch. You! What have you two done? My mom swiveled on her feet and faced me now. Nicole, where is it? Where did you put everything? Her hands trembled, eyes bulged. She was totally freaking out. Mom, sit down on the fireplace. As though I'd asked her to sit on a pile of snakes, she shrieked in horror as she looked at the empty spot I referenced. Yes, our fireplace was visible. No, 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 no. She stamped her right foot with each word. Then she lunged at me, beating on my chest. Cole had to rescue me from her fist. She cried, Where is he? Where is he? Where is who? I asked. Sean! She yelled at me. Then she broke free from Cole and rushed to my brother's bedroom. As soon as I heard his door open, she let out a blood-curdling scream that stopped the blood in my veins cold. Cole and I rushed into the room to find my mother lying on the floor in fetal position, trembling so much I wondered if she was having a seizure. Cole read my mind. We better call 911. The mental health facility held my mom for 72 hours while I stayed with my dad. They gave her some medication to calm her down and evaluated her mental state. Since my mom had already been diagnosed with some kind of mental illness my father hadn't bothered to tell me about, the hospital already had records on her. But even though we informed the doctor that my mom was a compulsive hoarder who needed help, they couldn't force her to stay in the hospital longer than 3 days. As soon as they released her, she went back home. The following weekend, I joined her. My mom didn't talk to me for several weeks. The doctor said that was normal since, from my mom's perspective, me cleaning out the house was equivalent to someone breaking in and robbing her of everything she'd ever owned. In fact, Mom even tried to have Cole arrested for stealing. Since I let him in the house, however, the police wouldn't let her prosecute Cole unless she prosecuted me too. It's only been a month since Cole and I cleaned up the house, and already my mom started another pile of clothes in the living room. The bathrooms are almost as bad as they were before the big cleanup. My mom bought a new refrigerator that's got rotting lettuce in the crisper drawer. Just this morning, I told her we should get rid of the old lettuce. She said we should save it in case we get a rabbit someday. But rabbits won't eat rotten lettuce, I attempted to reason. Well, pigs will. Pigs eat anything. Don't be so wasteful, Nicole. Yes, Mother. Right now, I'm just waiting until my 18th birthday. Cole and I are thinking about getting our own apartment. I'm not sure what will happen to my mom. I only know I can't live this. The end.